Hi, welcome to my MIT portfolio. As you can see, the MIT site is blocked right now, but if I open the unblocker I made and sign in using an account, it'll connect to my home computer using the peer-to-peer WebRTC protocol and proxy the traffic over it. It even works for complex WebSocket-heavy sites like Discord. Adrift builds on an open source proxy that uses service workers to intercept requests from the proxied site. Once the client and server are directly connected, the client can initiate HTTP requests and WebSockets requests using a custom binary protocol I designed. The responses are streamed to avoid hitting the WebRTC maximum data size limits. One major issue I ran into was that the array buffers created from WebRTC messages would not be instances of the array buffer inside the frame. To avoid this, I explicitly set the prototype to the one from within the frame. Another fun project I made and maintained throughout high school is a bot that scrapes my online grades and notifies me whenever there are changes. Another project I've worked on is adding a Windows virtual machine to an Arizona State University cybersecurity course's existing Linux Docker-based challenge environment. Here I am solving one of the introductory binary exploitation challenges I made for it. It comes with a remote desktop environment too. The hardest part was getting the security model right. In the Linux environment, students attack a setuid challenge which allows them to get access to a root-owned flag file. The Windows environment is a QEMU virtual machine. Virtual file system bridges are used to share the persistent home volume and the challenge volume into the virtual machine. The bridges don't implement any Windows access control, but I run them as unprivileged host users to prevent modifying the challenge. As for the flag, I copy it off of a root-owned volume and then delete it before the user can read it. Windows has no concept of setuid, so I created a Rust Windows service that will spawn the challenge with admin privileges. Input and output will then be forwarded to the user over TCP.